following film is a work of fiction. It is loosely based on historical events and is in no way meant to be historically accurate. Except for the talking turkeys. That part is totally real.
No, it's not.
I know, I've seen him.
Holidays. The whole
Oh god, I
world
forgot
loves 'em.
Owen Wilson voiced the turkey.
That's why there's so many.
There's I've never seen or heard of this movie.
Christmas.
It's a Thanksgiving movie.
Easter. Unless, of course,
The family.
you are the meal.
That's actually gross.
My name's Reggie, by the way.
Nice title
I'm the
card.
turkey sc-
Dude,
Your wings
why
must
does
be
this guy
tired,
try to
because it
pretend to
looks
be
like
smart,
you
but he's
flew
actually
straight
stupid?
Out of heaven.
It's like you, Adriel.
No?
Yep.
No?
Never mind, that's you, Adriel.
it's
You're the
just
old
you and me.
decrepit man.
Yeah, that's true. He's cool. He's actually the only cool guy in the movie.
Why do they
When
emit
you're in
a
flock,
red
you know you
light?
belong
Why do they glow?
Warmth.
to something bigger.
Warmth.
The glow.
That's what warmth looks like.
This is the rotten. Do you know that one Dark Souls boss?
No.
Oh,
The rotten.
no, it's phalanx, bro.
The writhing mass.
Yeah.
Kill Reggie.
Kill Reggie.
The anti-corn, is that what they said?
Oh,
It's like the
yeah,
Antichrist, but they don't
Oh,
worship Christ. They worship corn.
I see. Very clever.
That's pretty awesome, Andy. It's
Oh,
the
dude, it's
president.
Stephen Colbert.
They're about to announce him as the national bird.
I'm Mr. President.
No, it's the pardoning. Andy, do you know about
Which
the pardoning?
president?
Yeah, I know, but the
Oh,
part.
okay.
It's weird.
It is weird. It's like, oh yeah, let's save this one specific
Wait.
turkey.
Oh,
Oh,
Riley,
dude, look at that emo dude. That's me.
That's you.
me.
That's
Yeah,
me.
he was visible in the first shot. He was in the first shot as the kid.
God, the animation looks so weird. Like, look at some of the
It's
the
like
faces.
Monsters versus Aliens, but like
But
worse.
worse?
Which is actually a good movie.
Yo, Monsters vs. Aliens is the best.
How comes the animation looks worse than Monsters vs. Aliens, which came out like
And what's
3
really
years
cool in
before
Monsters
this?
vs. Aliens is that they have a character that's a blob, but they name him Bob. It's really awesome.
It's really creative.
Yeah, we gotta watch that.
Don't worry, you're safe.
Rip off of her nose.
The pardon church.
Jeez, Adriel.
Oh, I love this one.
Tired now?
Get it, children, they're stupid.
The flashbacks.
One-eyed orphan Alejandro is thrown out of the
Hey, look, it's me.
It's you.
That's what he's gonna say.
I'm Jay.
Wow, you really called it. Is there a titular line in this movie?
Who is he?
Probably.
Great turkey. He appeared in the sky.
It's like we have to find the free birds.
It came
Yeah.
from
So
everywhere.
now we're not just
He
birds.
gave me
We're
my
free
mission,
birds.
told
Yeah, that's
me
probably
I
gonna
needed to
happen.
find him.
They go back to the first
That's our
Thanksgiving.
mission.
And
I,
like,
I forgot. I completely forgot the
And
plot
they-
of this movie.
And
We're
they
going
replaced
back
turkey
in
with
time
pizza.
To the first
Really?
Oh,
Is that the
yeah.
plot of this
Oh,
movie?
yeah. I
Yeah.
forgot.
That's the
This is
dumbest
so
thing.
stupid. Oh, dude, Auntie Anne's, Fossil, Old Navy, Coffee Bean. Man. Oh, that's so
Wow.
epic.
Cheetos, chicken.
All of those restaurants aren't even real.
That's how they got the budget for this movie.
Thanksgiving.
That's how they paid off the budget for this movie.
I'm pretty sure.
Welcome to the team. Like two pieces of twine woven together, we are a
I don't know
strong
why I don't know why I thought he was gonna say 2 pieces of meat.
Like two free birds.
Like,
Like 2 free birds.
They're birds of a feather.
Mr. President, once the
Hey, look, a monkey.
Mr. President, the turkey
Mr. President.
epidemic is getting worse.
Mr. President, the birds are free.
Shut up. This next one's called Free Birds too.
Sasquatch.
Monkey! Monkey!
I hope
Monkey Monday.
Please hold on for me.
it's Friday.
Oh, well,
Funky
okay.
Monkey Friday.
Oh yeah, it is Funky Monkey.
Yeah, funky monkey.
Are you even gonna be able to wait? Can you even post Freebird's footage on YouTube?
Everyone.
I'm
yeah,
sure.
'cause it's like commentary. We're gonna be talking over it. So.
Yeah, it's fair use. People don't care about that.
I've seen commentary stuff on YouTube still get demonetized or whatever.
Yeah, but this is Freebirds. Who's gonna jump in front of a bullet for Freebirds?
YouTube will.
How much do we have left of this movie? Like 45 minutes?
An hour. We still have another.
Oh my
hour.
god, we haven't even reached the third. This movie feels so long. Why does this movie? Agony Kai.
They have to fight.
Oh god. What is this movie? What is with the butts?
The Transformers.
Why are they so like?
Oh no!
Oh my god! It's like, oh my god!
It's like those balls that you like have attached to a rubber band and you punch them over and over again.
Dude, this movie, bro.
This movie.
It's all about confidence.
Somebody out there is obsessed with this movie.
It's me.
Somebody just fits all the right slots that this movie is checking the boxes for.
Please settle down, alright?
They're just loving this movie.
It's all meaningless, dear God.
This is like that one Renaissance painting where like God is like touching fingers with Adam or whoever else is in it.
He's touching fingers with your brother.
Yeah.
Reggie went to Brazil. He's going to Brazil.
Yeah, they really are. They're going down and everything.
We must attack the fort tonight.
He little legs.
He little legs.
Oh my God! One turkey got out. Everyone get him.
That's what I'm saying. Like back at the time travel facility, it's like, who cares if there are turkeys? It's like, yeah, get them, but they're not gonna pose a great danger.
They will spread disease.
I let down my
They'll
family.
tattle.
Hey, where are the dogs?
I've been outside.
I've been outside.
Hey, bro.
Barrels in the wagon.
Think it through.
Hide. No weapons.
Oi, oi! Hey, let this dogs out!
Why didn't they use
are
that
they-
for
are
this they
Oh,
movie? Does Leonard Skinner's free bird appear at all in this movie?
I wish. Oh, that'd be great.
Then this is a ripoff.
How? No.
How is he holding that up?
Ow.
God, this is such a nothing movie. It's so worthless.
You're a bit of a broken record right now, Riley.
I've said it
I
once
agree.
before, but it's just like nothing happens. There are no stakes. Like,
Yeah, there are. The stakes are they get
don't
turned
matter.
to steaks because it's
they
Thanksgiving.
get turned into steaks.
Jake, you're doomed, Alejandro.
Oh my god. What is Mike? How is Michael Pena gonna get his check now?
He's not in this movie.
Doesn't it feel like it though?
It does feel like it. Like
Oh,
the
it does.
bird even looks like him.
It is
looks
pretty
like him, but
uncanny.
it's a turkey. He's like,
Somebody's watching. Somebody's watching this video right now and just like crying in his Freebirds t-shirt. Like, how is this a nothing movie? It's everything to me.
oh no, no! Now the dogs are going to die.
Yeah, are the dogs as free as the birds? I don't know.
No, the dogs are trapped in this burning hole. They're going to die now.
That's true.
What is this?
Blow it away.
Go
Oh, they're gonna
away.
make it fly, bro. They're gonna make it fly, bro. They're
Yeah.
gonna make it. What the hell?
Come to me. Come to me.
How are they getting the feathers to move? What?
They're,
'Cause they're moving their-
yeah, they're
Through magic. They have magic.
Oh,
everybody
they do
knows
have
that when you
magic.
wave your arms enough, anything can happen.
Was my father's.
Yep.
Whichever of his children has the other half. will
Why
be
does this sound like a Parks and Rec speech?
Because it's Leslie Knope.
It's
As
true.
a bird. As a very sexy bird.
You could literally insert this dialogue into an episode of Parks and Rec. and it would change nothing.
If they didn't already know that he was
Because
the
it's
time
totally
turkey,
awesome.
then what?
Why are you getting so worked up over
Because this
Freebirds?
movie is nothing, and I have to extrapolate something from this. Like, why? Like, are they gonna? Do they have their own Steve? Are they just stuck in this timeline? What?
Riley, shut up. It's a turkey movie about turkeys who talk.
I'm losing my mind. We're not even at the final.
And they're losing the war against Thanksgiving, apparently. I guess. I don't know.
The war against Oh yeah. I was about to say,
It's like the war on drugs, the war on Thanksgiving.
but I was about to say that like sarcastically, like what are you talking? And then I realized that's actually the plot of.
That is literally the plot of the
This
movie.
is literally the war on Thanksgiving. What is this movie injecting into our children's brain? To not like Thanksgiving. God.
All of them? First, you must go to Camp David and find the pardoned turkey.
I thought he was gonna say, first
Awesome
you must go to
pardoned
Kenya
turkey.
and build a well.
Awesome pardon turkey.
He's not always awesome.
You must go to Brazil
It's
and
awesome
stay
as it
there.
goes along.
First you must
You
go to
need
Brazil,
this for
which
your
will happen
journey.
now.
They just completely miss. It's super short. Oh, okay, no, of course. Whoa, Jesus.
That dude is dead. That
Yeah,
dude
he is literally. He's not
Trailer
going
shot,
to live
trailer
to tell
shot,
that
Angry
story.
Birds reference, trailer shot.
is the portal to Brazil.
The portal to Brazil. A pure Brazilian is descending from the heavens. Is this offensive?
What if he ate the pizza and said, "This is freaking sweet," and then it ended?
Actually, I did. Yeah.
Where did they get the?
I saved you.
Where are they
So
getting
technically
all
I
of this
saved everyone,
pizza?
So hooray for me.
Jesus. Jesus just
Jesus.
Isn't this
made
Jesus. Yes, Reggie. Take all of it you need. I have a buy one get one for Chuck E. Cheese.
Yes, Reggie. Christianity is real.
That's what this movie was about all along.
Still better than my wife's cooking, am I right?
I hate this movie.
Hey.
What is that? What?
Sergeant.
What was that?
What?
What?
pizza.
What?
Thank you, great turkey.
That man was born with a very strange defect.
Everyone, I'm
The
giving
pizza prostate.
this turkey.
Pizza.
They are the future.
Bro, this movie.
There it is.
For Pisces. Whatever that is.
For a Pisces.
Pisces.
He's
Oh,
a Pisces, canonically.
Oh, that was a
Finally, I
throwaway
can
line.
add it to my lore.
So that explains every single action that he's done in the movie.
Yeah.
No,
Everything. If he
No.
was a Virgo, this movie would be completely different.
No,
and
that
end
was
in
because-
Hey,
shambles.
clap,
That was-
everyone.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at all those slave owners. Let's.
Who's General Sagan?
I don't know.
Carl Sagan was in this movie.
Dude.
Watching that movie.
I want to see if Carlos. Okay. Monsters versus.